in general, I would say I don't have any one particular thing in mind, but I have seen it a lot of times when on camera in movies or series, people show that, you know, women are oppressed being a hijabi. They're forced to do some things that they're not comfortable with. But I feel this is totally opposite of what you are. You can see me right now. Hi, walaikum assalam. Welcome to Forge.
Thank you. Can we start?
Yes, definitely. Well, I used to hog a lot even in my school days and college days, sneak out, and, you know, during the lectures I used to eat a lot. But this lockdown had actually made a mess in my head. I could not go out and I could not eat what I wanted to eat on daily basis. So I thought, why not have our own hotel? Confident. That was Dalgona coffee. That really made my head go mad because everybody was doing it for no reason. The speciality of Dalgona coffee had actually gone too wide. Wedding dresses. So I am looking actually a lot of shops, but I'm not able to find a good modest white gown everywhere. You know, I can wear it with a full sleeves with a proper pattern. Well, no, I haven't shifted. I'm balancing both of them together. It was 2018, I suppose. I just started off with my own career. I got lots of money in my pocket because I started earning and I started spending a lot. So I shifted to food blogging. And then, yes, definitely data science was something which is back of my mind. So I'm balancing, training my mind with data science and my body with food. Actually, I love most of the styles. I keep trying new styles, but except turbans. Yeah, turbans is something which I don't like. But apart from that, I love all the different styles that you can play with your hijab, be it a formal or an informal way. Oh, it's right here. It's Turkish Pride. I just ordered for my shoot also. So yeah, it's a Turkish dish where you can get it. It's straight away from Turkey right here. So if you are not willing to go to Turkey, then must come at Forge. Actually, I'm not much fond of movies, but in general, I would say I don't have any one particular thing in mind, but I have seen it a lot of times when on camera in movies or series, people show that, you know, women are oppressed being a hijabi. They're forced to do some things that they're not comfortable with. But I feel this is totally opposite of what you are. You can see me right now. Okay, there are a lot of Bollywood songs that makes no sense, but to be precise, ABCD पढ़ ली बहुत अच्छी बातें कर ली बहुत अब करूँगा तेरे साथ गंदी बात. So this is something which I don't understand. आप ऐसे songs society को दिखा रहे हो, मतलब आप बोल रहे हो सामने से that if the girl is not listening properly, then do this, you know, and then nukkad pe you're waiting for that girl. You know, the lyrics are pretty absurd, and if the girl is not responding, usko follow karo, फिर उसके साथ गंदी चीजें करो. People used to ask me, I'm bald. Do I have hairs beneath? Do I sleep with this? Do I roam with this in my house? Or let's say, yeah, okay, how long my hairs are, that's it. Pins. This is something which I always feel short of. It's normal ones. So when I have where I don't have time to get ready or dress up, I pick a normal black scarf that matches with all. Black is beauty. Otherwise, I go with the plain ones and I just tie it around like this, how I have tied. I do get it as businesswoman or boss lady. Yes, it does. Not specifically my career choices, but it does when you're planning to go for an interview or when you are working in professional. As I said, I'm working as senior machine learning engineer. So I've worked across various companies. I do face certain kind of racism, but yes, some companies are also supportive about what you wear and what you don't. Of course, no. It does. It all depends what cotton material you're wearing or what dress material you're wearing. Yes, it does. Colors matters the most to me because I wear all the pastel shades for my work, and if I'm going for more RGB colors, that's red, green, blue, yellow or something dark, it's for like wedding or occasions. So for me, it is, what I can see is woman empowerment, to be honest, or to be precise about just one word that I can think of, because it's not just a modest clothing that you're wearing just to cover your headscarf. It's about aiding something or modesty to your personality, to your looks, to your nature, to what I can think of is it's an entirely a different thing how you portray yourself, how you behave. So it's not just one piece of clothing, it's altogether entire different, what I can say, a package. Desserts. Entrepreneur. Books. Of course, Georgette. Italian. No. Actually, it's never, because I've done it ulta, like vice versa. I've eaten a lot of food but never blogged about it. I have. I have. Never. Turkish food. Andheri, Bandra, and South Mumbai, more areas towards the south. Yeah. Turbans. I really don't like them.
Thank you so much.
Love this.